Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring Bgmi is updated, and you have at least 500 to 800 megabytes free. This prevents download failures. Once done, open the game and go straight to Settings Basic or Language section to start the retrieval. You do this now because the language pack is downloaded from the server only when requested. Make sure to use a stable Wi-Fi connection for reliability, and keep your device screen awake until the process completes to avoid interruptions. Next, pick the language you want from the in-game language list and tap Download. This triggers the pack transfer. While downloading, watch the progress bar. Don't switch to heavy apps or clear memory because the game may pause or restart. If Bgmi asks for storage or file permissions, grant them so the pack can be written. Once the download finishes, press Apply or Restart Game if prompted. This installs the assets and switches UI and voice files to your chosen language. Finally, restart Bgmi to finalize the language switch and inspect UI text, voice lines, and subtitles. If some strings or voices are missing, clear the app cache from your device settings and re-download the pack. This fixes partial installs. If re-downloading fails, uninstall then reinstall Bgmi as a last resort, but make sure you have your account linked. If problems persist, gather error messages and log ID. Then contact support so they can investigate server or regional distribution issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.